Today I'm going to be interpreting the tarot card Four of Cups. I'm using the Right-Away deck on the left, on the right, and the Osho Zen cards on the left. This is a number 4. Number 4 speaks of stability and foundation. This is a water element card and is related to Moon in Cancer in astrology. When the element of this card finds you in a reading, you can expect internal reflection and meditation, discontent, wanting more or different. There's needing purpose and direction with this energy. There's a reevaluation also of personal choices. And there can also be a sense of you rejecting new offers because you feel stuck. Withdrawing due to past hurts and disappointments is also very possible with the Four of Cups. When the energy of this card finds you in reverse in a reading, you can expect new ambition and goals, new relationships, moving from the past into your present. There's a regeneration, taking on new opportunities, setting new horizons for yourself emotionally. So when the element of the Four of Cups finds you in a reading, ask yourself, are you holding on to anything?